Hello, whether you are learning AI or already building AI applications, you should know this. AI is not future for big tech companies, it's for you also. Let me explain to you by example. Imagine developing an AI model that's better, faster, and more cost effective than anything the world has seen. Sounds impossible, right? No, it is possible. A small startup in China called DeepSeek just made it reality. With only $6 million in funding, DeepSeek has shaken up the $1 trillion AI industry. Their secret? A large language model called DeepSeek R1, which is competitor of OpenAI GPT-4. But the cost of DeepSeek R1 is 1,000 times less than GPT-4. For example, GPT-4 training cost is 600 million USD, while training cost of DeepSeek R1 is just 6 million. This is not only about cost gap, it is a technological breakthrough. The key innovation they made was already in discussion in various large language models courses. Let's talk about what is revolutionary in DeepSeek R1. There are three key innovations which were already in discussion. First, they improved their training process by techniques like low-rank adaptation and quantization for optimizing efficiency while maintaining high performance. DeepSeek R1 also is resource efficient. They use advanced parameter tuning to deliver strong reasoning capabilities with fewer computational resources. Another key effort is transparency in AI. Unlike black box models, DeepSeek R1 exposes its reasoning, making AI decision easier to understand and trust. And when it comes to running cost, DeepSeek R1 is over 25 times cheaper than GPT-4. This all makes high-performance AI truly accessible. What is the takeaway for you? You can be also a game changer. You don't need $1 billion budgets or massive GPU clusters to innovate. DeepSeek R1 is open source. It's free to use. Experiment with it and build your innovation upon it. Instead of just generating text, it solves real-world problems with logical reasoning. So DeepSeek is not just an AI model. It is a shift in AI development, which was already in discussions like Onslaught and other companies. Smarter training reduces both memory use and operational expenses. And open source models like DeepSeek and platforms like Hugging Face turns AI into a community-driven movement. So start your AI journey today. Learn the fundamentals of AI on this channel. Also, very good platforms like Coursera or Fast AI. Experiment with open source model like DeepSeek R1. Explore optimization techniques with platform like Onslaught. This DeepSeek startup proves that AI future is not about money. It's about creativity and efficiency. So there is a good career for you in AI industry. AI is for everyone. The tools are open. The knowledge is free. The possibilities are endless. Let's build the future of AI together.